Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my Three Musketeer squares. So let's get started. So I have 1½ cups of the mini morsels. I'll place them in my microwave to melt. So I took it out of the microwave. I'll mix it. I'll put it back in. I have a 9×13 baking pan. I'll place some parchment paper in. I cut the sides of my parchment paper. So what I'm going to do is just tape down the side, just to hold the parchment paper in the pan. I'll go check on my morsels. Oh yeah, look at that. That mixed up beautifully. So now that all the morsels are melted, so I'll place this off to the side. Now that I have the sides taped down, what I'm going to do is spray some cooking spray on the inside. I'll check on my chocolate. My chocolate has cooled down. So now I'm going to take my container of Cool Whip. This is 16 ounces, but I'm only going to use half. So I'll place half of this container in my bowl. So I have 8 ounces of Cool Whip in my bowl. Now I'll pour the chocolate in and then mix it up. So you want to fold it in gently. You want to make sure it's mixed well. Now that all the chocolate is incorporated into the Cool Whip, I'll pour it into my pan. You want to spread it out evenly. So I spread it out nice and evenly. And you'll place this in your fridge for about an hour. You want it to firm up. So into the fridge it goes. So I just took it out of the fridge. It was in there an hour. You can see how nice that firmed up. What I'm going to do now is cut it into squares. I'll melt some more morsels and then dip it in the chocolate and then place that on parchment paper and let that cool down. So I'll cut the end off. I'll leave the ends off to the side. What I'm going to do is make them into little squares, so I'll call them my Three Musketeer Squares. I'm going to try a sample. That's good. I took a cup of morsels, the semi-sweet morsels. Now I'll melt them. I'll put them in the microwave. So into the microwave it goes. I'll do a little at a time. So I have my baking sheet. I put some parchment paper on a baking sheet. Once I dip these squares into the melted chocolate, I'll place them on top of the parchment paper. Then I'll place them in the fridge to cool down. You want them to harden. Now that the morsels have melted, I'll stir it around. I have 2 forks. I'll lift them up. Place it on the parchment paper. And you'll continue on with the rest. I did some coated in chocolate, and I left the others plain because they're really good plain. Now I'm going to put this back in the fridge for these chocolate ones to harden up. They firmed up beautifully. So now I'll give one a try. Really, really good. It's very smooth. Tastes good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my Three Musketeer squares. I have some coated in chocolate and some left plain. They're really good. Give them a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. So smooth.